There must be one pissed off girlfriend, ex-girlfriend that doesn't like you.
Well,
no one is liked by everyone.
I'm sure Dekoff tried very hard to find her.
What I do is I try to change the world on more of a micro level. I don't try to change who runs the world, who controls the world, how the monetary system works, how fair or unfair it is. I try to look at the game and play the game as best as I understand the rules. So changing it on a micro level can be something as little as inspiring young men to get into shape, to care more about their health. You know, that should, in theory, lower the cost of healthcare for every developed nation if everybody listened to mine and Andrew's advice. And it's the micro level change that I'm more interested in pursuing myself. I'm not trying to run for office. I'm not trying to change the laws. And the world is set up the way it's set up. So I just try and win the game, as you have. You know, get a bunch of money, put it in your bank. Oh, what's the money worth? What's it backed by? I don't care. I have lots of it, and it can buy real things. It buys real food and real properties and real cars and, you know, real experiences, and it gets you plane tickets and private jets and all the things that you want. So do I really care what it's backed by? You know, it's not an issue that I try to alter. And I never will.
Do you think maybe in some ways, whoever controls the world, the governments, the big corporations, they're just running a company, like you're running a company and I'm running a company, and if we were controlling the world, we might run the company in a similar way?
I believe I'm a far more moral person than some of the people. So some of the large companies and the people behind them that control the money, I feel like they're happier to flush human lives down the toilet than I ever would be. So when you look at some countries, Saudi Arabia as example, that's run like a business, and the leaders and the people sit around, they think, okay, we have this many resources, we have this much space, how do we best make our company profitable? How do we make it safe? How do we make everyone inside of it happy?